திருவாடிபுரத்து ஜகத்துதித்தாள் வாழியே திருப்பாவை 30 செப்பினாள் வாழியே திருப்பாவை 30 செப்பினாள் வாழியே.
For he is in every atom, for he is in every subatomic particle, for he is in the smallest of existence and in the largest. He represents both extremes of the spectrum and everything in between, all encompassing, all pervading. Mahavishnu, in his 5th avatar, he comes in the form of a Vatu, one who comes across Bali Chakravarti's Mahayaga, where Bali is, with great pride and great, perhaps even overconfidence, is making his donations. As generous as Bali Chakravarti was in his donations, it was also from a place of ownership. What does one really own on this land to call their own? And so Mahavishnu as Vamana comes to Bali Chakravarti, very cleverly asks for 3 footsteps of land. Just imagine how you'd feel if I asked you for 3 footsteps of land. I think you might be beyond perplexed. With large, multiple acres of land, today we are dissatisfied. And Perumal asked for 3 footsteps. A series of Leelas later, Chakravarti was finally able to make his vow and make the said donation. And that's when Perumal represents, much like his Narasimha Avatara, where he comes from nothingness into manifestation, from the small pebble to the large pillar to the larger Narasimha Perumal. Here he goes from the small Vatu to Trivikrama, the all-encompassing large form. His first footstep covers all of land. His second footstep covers all of space. And so between earth and sky, what remains really? Ongi Ulagalanda Uttama, he becomes. He measures everything between the earth and the sky in just his form, rather with just his feet. The third step, of course, was placed on the humbled Bali Chakravarti's head as a sign of blessing. And so today let us offer our ego at the feet of the Lord, so he may place his beautiful feet, or even at least his padukas as Bharata carried them, or as Nammalvar became symbolically the Shadhari. The name of that Lord we shall sing praises of, for the name alone can do miracles beyond our comprehension. Did it not once serve Hanuman to leap across the ocean as though it were a puddle? So let us sing the glories of that name and of the Perumal. When we do this Pave Nombu, aligning to this Perumal as a spiritual practice, selflessly, with generosity, taking along with us all the people around us, all the beings around us, truly with all of our heart, seeking goodness, wellness, and a rise in consciousness, that consciousness within everything around us begins to activate and celebrate itself as an independent consciousness. And so that Perumal, that Vishnu who is within the atom, begins to rejoice, and each atom comes to life. The rain pours as it must, nourishing the land. The land flourishes with harvests. The harvests nurture the beings who depend on it. The beings who depend on it then endlessly give their goodness to us. There is nourishment and prosperity everywhere, from the sky through to the land. The rivers, the oceans overflow. The agriculture is rich, the harvests are rich. The fish, the reptiles, the plants, the flowers, the bees, the birds, everyone is rejoicing as though it is spring. And so let the flower of our heart also bloom with devotion. The Divine Lord is an ocean of compassion, one whose waves are constantly reaching us for us to receive, rejoice, rejuvenate. Just as a cow would give out milk to its young one just even simply upon sight, Perumal is constantly exercising his compassion towards us. And so let us receive this Margazhi, all of us together, human beings, animals, birds, fish, reptiles, plants, the sun, the moon, the sky, the stars, the rain, the clouds, the rivers, the oceans, the land. Let all of us receive and rejoice in endless prosperity of spiritual, materialistic, devotional wealth this Margazhi.
பெரியாழ்வார் பெற்றெடுத்த பெண் பிள்ளாய் வாழிய பெண் பிள்ளாய் வாழிய பெரும்பூதும் மாமுனிக்கு பின்னாள் வாழிய பெரும்பூதூர் மாமுனிக்கு பின்னாள் வாழிய ஒரு 143 ஒரு 143 உரைத்தாள் வாழிய அரங்கற்கே கல்வி உகந்தளித்தாள் வாழிய மறுவாரும் திருமல்லி வளநாடு வளநாடு வாழிய புதுவை நகர்கோதை மலர்பதங்கள் வாழிய புதுவை நகர்கோதை மலர்பதங்கள் வாழியே வாழியே ஏ